Delaware Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 2.
Question 1. When at an intersection, you must especially watch for
people trying to share your lane, irregular traffic signals, rows of parked cars, cars turning left in front of you.
Answer.
Cars turning left in front of you.
Question 2. In hot weather, what type of clothing should you wear while riding your motorcycle?
Long pants and a t-shirt, denim shorts and a leather jacket. Whatever makes you feel the most comfortable. Sturdy clothing that covers your arms and legs completely.
Answer.
Sturdy clothing that covers your arms and legs completely.
Question 3. Motorcyclists must wear protective eyewear.
If riding a motorcycle without a windshield. Only if they choose to do so. At all times. Only while riding on highways and freeways.
Answer.
At all times.
Question 4. When a passenger is riding with you, they should
lean as you lean. Also have their motorcycle license. Lean back to balance the motorcycle. Wear a motorcycle lap belt.
Answer.
Lean as you lean.
Question 5. If you are riding in a group and you need to pass the vehicle in front of you, how should you pass?
Never pass while riding in a group. In pairs. One rider at a time. As a whole group.
Answer.
One rider at a time.
Question 6. When using saddlebags, it is important to
only use them if they are completely full. Fill one bag before the other. Only fill them with approved contents. Distribute the load evenly.
Answer.
Distribute the load evenly.
Question 7. You can increase your safety when riding at night by
skimming the road with your feet as you ride. Increasing your following distance. Following vehicles closely so you can see better. Riding the center lane position.
Answer.
Increasing your following distance.
Question 8. When riding at night, you can increase your safety by
reducing your speed. All these answers are correct. Wearing reflective clothing. Using your high beam.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 9. If you would like to signal that you are turning left, what is the correct hand and arm signal?
Left arm straight out. Left arm bent at 90 degrees pointing up. Left arm bent at 90 degrees pointing down. Right arm straight out.
Answer.
Left arm straight out.
Question 10. Use your feet to maintain balance by
keeping them on the footrests. Pointing your toes downwards. Holding them away from the motorcycle. skimming them above the ground.
Answer.
Keeping them on the footrests.
Question 11. Help balance your motorcycle while turning by.
Leaning the opposite way of the motorcycle. All these answers are correct. Dragging your feet on the ground. Keeping both knees against the gas tank.
Answer.
Keeping both knees against the gas tank.
Question 12. Cargo on your motorcycle should be secured.
With rope. On the chassis bar. Behind the rear axle. With elastic cords.
Answer.
With elastic cords.
Question 13. Which of the following is the rule of group riding?
Never ride in groups of more than 3. Don't tailgate to encourage the person in front of you to ride faster. Ride in pairs whenever possible. Put the newest riders at the back.
Answer.
Don't tailgate to encourage the person in front of you to ride faster.
Question 14. Accelerating in a curve.
Should not be done. Is for experienced riders only. Should be done only in small curves. Helps stabilize the motorcycle.
Answer.
Helps stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 15. What causes a motorcycle engine to lug?
Shifting to a higher gear too soon. Carrying cargo on the chassis bar. Shifting into a lower gear too soon. Leaning while turning.
Answer.
Shifting to a higher gear too soon.
Question 16. The X marked RR sign warns that
You are approaching a dead end. You are approaching a construction zone. You are approaching an intersection. You are approaching a railway crossing.
Answer.
You are approaching a railway crossing.
Question 17. When parking against the curb, you should park at a degree angle.
25. 45. 90. 130.
Answer.
90.
Question 18. What are 2 ways to avoid obstacles in your path?
Stopping and sliding. Stopping and swerving. Sliding and swerving. Sliding and skidding.
Answer.
Stopping and swerving.
Question 19. When should you adjust your mirrors?
Before mounting the motorcycle. After starting the motorcycle engine. After mounting the motorcycle. Once you have started riding.
Answer.
After mounting the motorcycle.
Question 20. If you need to brake and swerve, you
should brake after swerving. Must brake while swerving. Should brake before swerving. Must brake before or after swerving.
Answer.
Must brake before or after swerving.
Question 21. When stopping in a curve, what should you do?
Lean over as much as possible. Try to get the motorcycle perpendicular to the road. Increase your speed before stopping. Grab the rear brake only.
Answer.
Try to get the motorcycle perpendicular to the road.
Question 22. Which of the following is true about braking?
Stop quickly by using both brakes. The rear brake has most of the braking power. The rear brake should only be used to slow down. The front brake is controlled by a foot lever.
Answer.
Stop quickly by using both brakes.
Question 23. How can you protect yourself from injury during a collision?
Try to land with your arms first. Wear protective motorcycle clothes and gear. Try to jump off the bike before hitting the ground. Roll away from the motorcycle.
Answer.
Wear protective motorcycle clothes and gear.
Question 24. If you wish to stop your motorcycle quickly, you must apply. To do so safely.
The front brake. The rear brake. Both brakes at the same time. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Both brakes at the same time.
Question 25. What is the most efficient way to know what is going on behind you?
Check your side mirrors frequently. Carry a passenger to check for you. Stop and look around. Turn around and scan the area.
Answer.
Check your side mirrors frequently.
Question 26. The best way to combat fatigue while riding is to
drink energy drinks. Stop at least every 2 hours. Avoid wearing a helmet. Consume lots of water.
Answer.
Stop at least every 2 hours.
Question 27. If your throttle is stuck and twisting it does not release it, you should
use the front brake only. Use engine braking. Apply both brakes. Pull the kill engine switch.
Answer.
Pull the kill engine switch.
Question 28. Distances are harder to judge at night. You should
increase your following distance. Increase your speed. Drive only in real roads. Avoiding riding at night.
Answer.
Increase your following distance.
Question 29. Lessen your chances of being involved in a collision by
choosing an effective lane position. Identifying multiple hazards. Wearing bright clothing. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 30. When riding in a group, beginner riders should be positioned
in the front, at the end, Behind the leader. In front of the last rider.
Answer.
Behind the leader.
Question 31. You can maintain an adequate space cushion by
speeding up when approached by tailgaters. Adjusting your lane position as you ride. Beeping your horn at close drivers. Always riding in the center lane position.
Answer.
Adjusting your lane position as you ride.
Question 32. Generally, should be avoided.
The left lane portion. The right lane portion. The center lane portion. The left and center lane portions.
Answer.
The center lane portion.
Question 33. How can you prevent yourself from using too much throttle?
Start with your wrist raised. Only ride in lower gears. Start with your right wrist flat. Keep the clutch pulled in.
Answer.
Start with your right wrist flat.
Question 34. Alcohol affects your ability to ride motorcycles. Your ability to drive a car.
Alcohol does not affect your ability to ride. The same as. Less than. More than.
Answer.
The same as.
Question 35. Where are the clutch and brake lever found on your motorcycle?
Both clutch and brake are on the left. Clutch is on the left and the brake is on the right. Both clutch and brake are on the right. Clutch is on the right and the brake is on the left.
Answer.
Clutch is on the left and the brake is on the right.
Question 36. All of the following affect your blood alcohol concentration except
time of day, the amount of alcohol, how fast you drink, your weight.
Answer.
Time of day.
Question 37. While riding, you notice there are hazards on the left side of the lane. What should your lane position be?
Left. Center. Left or center. Center or right.
Answer.
Center or right.
Question 38. When driving beside parked cars, why is it important to maintain a left lane position?
Motorcycles should always ride in the left lane position. You are more likely to hit a car in the right lane position. You may avoid problems from doors opening. The center lane position is too slippery.
Answer.
You may avoid problems from doors opening.
Question 39. When can you operate a motorcycle between lanes of traffic?
Whenever it is safe to do so. During rush hour. Never. Only in designated areas.
Answer.
Never.
Question 40. When you see a car on an entrance ramp is about to merge into your lane, the best course of action is to
come to a complete stop. Beep your horn. Flash your brake light. Change lanes.
Answer.
Change lanes.
Question 41. Which brake is most powerful?
The rear brake. The front brake. The foot brake. Both front and rear brake are equal.
Answer.
The front brake.
Question 42. Most of your motorcycle's stopping power is provided by
The rear brake. The clutch. The front brake. By the front and rear brake equally.
Answer.
The front brake.
Question 43. You must maintain a space cushion between your motorcycle and other vehicle ahead of you because it gives you
Time to brake. Time to stop. Time to react. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 44. A precaution that should be taken when riding at night is
Use your low beam. Decrease your following distance. Increase your speed. Increase your following distance.
Answer.
Increase your following distance.
Question 45. Reflective clothing is important for safety.
At night. In urban areas. In rural areas only. During day and night.
Answer.
During day and night.
Question 46. You ride safely on slippery surfaces by
Leaning back. Holding in the clutch. Maintaining or increasing your speed. Avoiding sudden moves.
Answer.
Avoiding sudden moves.
Question 47. If your motorcycle was made before 1978, you must remember to
Avoid carrying passengers. Get a special license. Only ride during the day. Turn the headlight on when riding at all times.
Answer.
Turn the headlight on when riding at all times.
Question 48. Which of the following should be avoided when carrying cargo?
Secure cargo as low as possible. Fasten excess cargo to the chassis bar. Secure cargo with elastic cords. Fill saddlebags evenly.
Answer.
Fasten excess cargo to the chassis bar.
Question 49. In order for a passenger to ride your motorcycle, he or she must have their own.
All these answers are correct. Seat. Helmet. Footrests.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 50. Help stabilize your motorcycle in a turn by
Decreasing the throttle. Increasing the throttle. Applying the rear brake. Pulling in the clutch.
Answer.
Increasing the throttle. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.